Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to add custom URL to your YouTube channel. This is my other channel guys, Russell Talk by Azhar. If anyone is interested in wrestling, you can go and watch this channel. The criteria for adding a custom URL guys is you should have a proper logo, should have a proper channel art. If you go to about section, your channel should be older than 30 days, and fourth important criteria is you should have more than 100 subscribers here. So without any further ado, let us start the video. Channel section, click on customize channel. When you click on customize channel, it will navigate you to the YouTube Studio page. In the when you click on customization, it will navigate to this page. You have to come to basic info. In basic info, you can see the set a custom URL for this channel is enabled. If you don't fulfill the criteria which I have told in the beginning, this custom URL will not be appearing. So click on custom URL for the channel. So here you can see my channel name is Russell Talk by Azhar. So Russell Talk by Azhar is already there. It's already by default as selected. Or if you want anything to add, like Russell Talk as add number setup, you can add it. So you think, okay, I don't want this Russell Talk by Azhar or any other name. I want to add a customized name. So what you have to do, you have to go up. You have to change here. Let's say as Russell Talk by Azhar, something I have changed. Channel, and I have click on publish. Make sure this should not come. Okay, so I'll click on studio. If I'm not happy with my channel name, if I want to change it, so you don't click on here, set the custom channel URL. Just go on the top, just change your name. Like I just want to write Russell Talk by Azhar channel, and then click on publish. When you click on publish, these changes will be published here, and then you come down. So click on the set a custom URL for your channel. If you click on it, it will come Russell Talk by Azhar channel. So for now, I don't want Russell Talk by Azhar channel. I'll just want Russell Talk by Azhar. I'll click on studio again. I'll click on discard changes. Okay. Name in the Russell Talk by Azhar channel. I'll remove this name. I'll click on somewhere else and I'll click on publish. So once it is published, my channel name will be like this, Russell Talk by Azhar. Just come down and click on custom channel URL. So YouTube has already taken it, like Russell Talk by Azhar has not taken by anyone. So I'll click on, it's already clicked here. So I'll click on publish. It will take a few seconds. So once the custom URL is, this is very important. Once you have set the custom URL, it can never be changed. So just click on confirm. So now you can see here Russell Talk by Azhar is fixed. Channel is fixed. Now I'll click on copy here. You could now share this with any of your friends as this channel, customized channel URL is selected. And in the top you can see the C is there, right? You can remove that C also, it doesn't matter, it's just a channel word. If you just click youtube.com Russell Talk by Azhar, click on enter, it will also directly navigate you to Russell Talk by Azhar. Just wait for a second, navigated me to Russell Talk by Azhar. Hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.